Fault number 1, electrolytic capacitors that leaked. There's 22 SMD capacitors and 3 radial capacitors. Assume or are faulty and need replacement. Possibly the longest and the most laborious part of the repair. Fault number 2, broken socket, power socket that needed resoldering. Fault number 3, there was a leaked capacitors just close to the track leading to the power switch, and this track needed to be repaired with some soldering and wire. Fault number 4 was probably the most serious. The corroded leg of the tuning diode broke, and I needed to find a replacement for obsolete Sony 1T33. I used Infineon BB639 diode. Fault number 5, broken ferrite antenna. 2 pieces needed to be glued together using super glue and then reinforced with some tape at the back. And then finally fault number 6, dent in the speaker cover. Using some heat, the aluminium speaker cover can be removed and then put against the flat surface or pushed against the flat surface, and the dent can be made good, disappear basically by putting this level with the rest of the cover. In order to do alignment, the best way is to have 2 PC boards at the right angle on the table. So here it allows me to access to the control, to the keyboard from this side. This allows me access to all the parts that need to be regulated, the potentiometers and the coils here. And here at the back we need an access to find reference points, test points on the PCB board. So essentially we need an access from 3 sides: controls, test points, and then adjustment elements. I used a PCB holder to keep it in place. Here is the location of the adjustments and test points. So as I said, the adjustment is on the side of the PCB with all the elements, all the bigger elements, and the test points are towards the back side of the radio.
clattering sound. It doesn't smell, no special products, and the entire thing would cost a lot.
What do you think that is? Let us know right now, and Ellis will be back with you next after this.
This is on radio.
One.
为了家国情怀，它环绕头盔的两圆环，白天荧映象征宇宙星体，传递的是中国人探索宇宙的永恒追求。
发射任务的时域好像这个长城增加以前它是2020还有规定，就是通过3个标志设计嘛，这是其中一个。国家的航天肯定是越来越强大的。
事实上，除了这个我们为了这个神舟21号啊，包括之前的神舟17号这个发射任务去设计标识，我们还为这个我们的登月服进行设计，也设计了我们的登月的月球车。那么也希望说，通过我们学校的这个，能够为我们国家这个航天事业这个发展做出贡献的这个人才。
中国东盟正式签署自由贸易协定3年典范，标志着东盟与中国经贸关系迈入新阶段，从互享关税到共建规则，中。Where can cost millions to tens of millions. Some power plants requires large-scale heating system and heat exchanges, reservoir stimulation, and reinjection systems. This upfront investment per unit of installed capacity is far higher than that of wind turbines and solar panels. So